Want to make your home smarter, cozier, and effortlessly modern? These unique Amazon smart home gadgets are built to upgrade your daily life and style. From comfort to convenience, they handle it all so you can sit back and relax. All the links are in the description below. Say goodbye to damp, smelly shoes. This powerful dryer blasts warm air inside your footwear, drying sports shoes in 20 minutes, boots in 20, and leather shoes in just 15. The extendable tubes rotate to fit all kinds of shoes, from sneakers to tall boots, without hassle. A built-in timer lets you set it from 30 minutes to 3 hours, so your shoes are warm and ready when you are. Safe, fast, and effective. It keeps your shoes fresh, dry, and comfortable every day. Let your curtains open themselves while you relax. This smart curtain opener installs in minutes, no tools, no hassle, and connects to your phone for instant control. You can schedule them to open with the sunrise, close at night, or adjust to any position with a tap. The powerful motor handles even heavy fabrics, and silent mode keeps it whisper quiet. It's convenience, comfort, and a little touch of luxury in one. Big loads don't have to mean big effort. This lightweight folding hand truck glides smoothly on 360-degree swivel wheels, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The adjustable handle lets you set the perfect height for comfortable pulling or pushing. Anti-skid pads and included bungee cords keep your cargo secure. When the job's done, it folds down small enough to store in a closet, car trunk, or office corner. Can't sleep because it's too hot or too quiet? This smart fan does both, keeps the air cool, and fills the room with soothing white noise. Adjust the airflow and sound separately to get your perfect sleep vibe. It runs whisper quiet, has 10 speed settings, and even auto-adjusts when the room heats up. Control everything from your phone without leaving bed. Sleep just got an upgrade. Tension in your neck and shoulders. This cordless massager melts it away with deep, hand-like kneading that feels just like a real massage. 6 rotating nodes work in 4D motion to cover a wide area, easing stiffness and tightness. Add soothing heat for even more comfort and better circulation. Lightweight and portable, it slips into your bag so you can enjoy pure relaxation anywhere. No more wasting half-used fruits or veggies. These colorful silicone pods keep them fresh and ready whenever you are. Whether it's half an avocado, leftover onion, or a handful of grapes, the snug seal locks in flavor while preventing odors from escaping. Lightweight and reusable, they're easy to toss in a bag for lunch or snacks on the go. And cleanup takes just seconds under running water. Bring a little retro magic to your messages. This split-flap display makes every update feel like an event. Post quotes, reminders, or greetings, and watch the letters flip into place with satisfying precision. Control it from your phone or laptop, no matter where you are. It's stylish, durable, and turns any wall into a conversation piece. Cleaning doesn't have to be a back-breaking chore. This broom and dustpan set lets you sweep standing tall, thanks to its adjustable long handle. The broom head rotates 180 degrees to reach under furniture and into tricky corners with ease. Built-in comb teeth pull out dust and hair without touching the mess. When you're done, it folds up neatly for compact, upright storage. Ironing just got a serious upgrade. This smart iron lowers itself when you touch the handle and automatically lifts when you let go. No more scorched fabric or wrist strain. The diamond ceramic sole plate glides smoothly over any material, wiping out wrinkles fast. With powerful steam in multiple modes, it's ready for clothes, quilting, or crafts. Long cord, big water tank, and auto shutoff make it as convenient as it is clever. Bring vinyl back in style. This sleek turntable lets you enjoy warm, rich sound with a modern twist. It connects wirelessly to your Sonos system or other speakers. No messy cables. A precision magnetic cartridge and carbon tone arm make every track sound crystal clear. Switch between speeds with ease and stream in high resolution. Classic feel, cutting-edge tech, all in one. Craving a golden, melty grilled cheese? This double-sided sandwich pan cooks from both sides for even heat and crispy perfection in just minutes. Lock the handles, flip it, and your breakfast, toasty, or omelet is ready before you know it. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the detachable design is great for camping or small kitchens. Quick, tasty, and easy, right on your stovetop. Hot day in the kitchen? This mini portable air cooler brings the chill right where you need it. Using rapid ice mist technology, it cools the air in seconds, perfect for beating the heat while you cook, work, or relax. Choose from 3 airflow levels, from a soft breeze to a powerful blast. Place it on a counter or mount it on the wall without drilling. Compact, quiet, and refreshingly effective. Sweep and vacuum in one smooth motion. This cordless 2-in-1 sweeper has high-quality bristles to grab even the tiniest crumbs, while the powerful motor sucks them straight in. No dustpan needed, just hit the eject button and empty it into the trash. The lightweight design and long-life battery make cleaning quick and easy. Perfect for hard floors, quick touch-ups, and avoiding the hassle of dragging out a big vacuum. Sweep, and it's gone. No bending, no dustpan, no hassle. This touchless vacuum uses infrared sensors to detect dirt, pet hair, and debris, sucking it all up the moment you sweep toward it. The 1,000-watt motor works fast, leaving floors spotless in seconds. High-efficiency filters trap dust and return clean air to the room. Always on and ready, it's the ultimate helper for quick, everyday cleanups. Fresh juice doesn't have to be a hassle. This slow juicer works at a gentle 60 RPM, squeezing out every drop of vitamins and minerals without adding air. The wide chute swallows whole fruits and veggies, so you spend less time chopping. A powerful but quiet motor handles even tough ingredients with ease. From juice to smoothies to nut milk, you get pure, nutrient-packed drinks in minutes. Turn dessert into a one-handed victory. This clever scooper cuts perfect portions of ice cream, gelato, or sorbet with a simple push and twist. It even serves straight onto cookies for instant ice cream sandwiches. No prep needed. Stainless steel edges slice through everything from chunky flavors to smooth sorbets. Comfortable to hold and dishwasher safe, it makes scooping as fun as eating. Work anywhere without sacrificing comfort. This lap desk fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, with extra room for a mouse and accessories. A built-in mouse pad and phone slot keep everything within reach, while the cushioned wrist rest supports your hands during long sessions. The dual bolster cushion keeps your lap cool and stable. Lightweight with a carrying handle, it's perfect for moving from couch to desk to bed. Who's at the door? This smart doorbell shows you in crystal clear 2K detail. It connects with all major smart home systems and even acts as a hub for your other devices. Advanced radar detects people, not pets or shadows, so you only get real alerts. Talk to visitors with two-way audio or customize chimes and responses right from your phone. Smart security just got a serious upgrade. Need a quiet space in the middle of chaos? This privacy pod gives you exactly that. Step inside and you've got your own little sanctuary for calls, focus work, or just catching your breath. It comes with a built-in desk, comfy seating, soft lighting, and airflow so it never feels stuffy. Soundproofing keeps your conversations private. No assembly headaches, Just plug it in and escape the noise. Power up anywhere, rain or shine. This rugged portable charger packs 5,000 milliamps of juice with fast USB-C charging to keep your phone, tablet, or earbuds ready on the go. Waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, it's built for hiking trails, camping trips, or everyday commutes. The smart tech adjusts power output for each device, and its tough design can handle drops and rough use. Adventure ready and always reliable. Washing your hands just got smarter. This sleek basin faucet has a built-in LED display that shows your exact water temperature in real time. No guessing, no surprises. The hot and cold mixer lets you fine-tune the perfect warmth for comfort. Made from durable copper, it's built to last while adding a modern touch to your sink. Simple, stylish, and surprisingly high-tech for everyday use. Fresh air anywhere you cook. This portable range hood sits right on your counter, pulling in smoke, steam, and cooking odors with its 2-speed exhaust fan. 3 layers of filtration, including a grease filter and carbon filter, keep the air cleaner, while the large oil cup collects mess for easy disposal. Lightweight, scratch-resistant, and quiet, it's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, indoor BBQs, and even hot pot nights. No installation required. Sitting still all day? Not with this chair. Its unique design lets you sit cross-legged, kneel, squat, or switch to countless comfy positions whenever you feel like it. The plush seat and supportive backrest keep you comfortable, while the swivel footstool gives you even more flexibility. It's perfect for work, study, or meditation. Finally, a chair that moves with you instead of holding you still. Ever wished you could hit pause at work? This nap pod makes it possible. It reclines you into a zero-gravity position, easing pressure and letting you truly unwind. A privacy visor blocks distractions, while calming music and a timer create the perfect power nap. When time's up, it wakes you gently with light, sound, and a soft vibration. Work breaks will never be the same again. Keep your pet's food fresh and your space looking sleek. This stainless steel storage container has an airtight seal that locks in freshness and keeps curious paws out. The lid hides a magnetic scoop, so feeding time is always quick and easy. Its slim design fits neatly in tight spots, and the fingerprint-proof finish stays clean. Perfect for pet food, or even bulk kitchen staples like rice or flour. Charge your Apple essentials in style. The MagTube Qi 2 3-in-1 station powers your iPhone up to 15 watts, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, with MagSafe compatible magnetic alignment for a perfect snap every time. Built-in safety features like foreign object detection and overcurrent protection keep your devices safe, while its compact, travel-ready design fits perfectly on your desk, nightstand, or in your bag. Time doesn't just tick away, it glows. This digital hourglass swaps falling sand for a cascade of LED lights that slowly drift down, creating a calming visual countdown. You can set it anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes, making it great for games, study sessions, or quiet relaxation. Brightness is adjustable, and the smooth design fits right into any room. It's part timer, part decor, and completely mesmerizing.